Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? On this Wednesday morning, it is the 12th day of April, and as I make this video, there are showers on the radar this morning. We'll take a look at future radar and bring you up to date on your chances of seeing a shower at your house today. Plus, my job is to get you ready for the Easter weekend forecast. We'll zero in on the details for here and the Gulf Coast beaches. I'll look at the pollen. When is our next big storm system? How many days away are we from our next big storm system? I'll show you that as well. Here we go. Let's get started.
There are showers on the radar as I make this morning. Some showers in west and southwest Alabama, back over in Mississippi as that frontal system moves into the state. It's a weak front, and it is weakening more. But, yeah, there could be a stray shower or two. Right now I've got the rain chances at 20%. That may be a little low. We're looking at future radar here, and we're seeing that most of the showers seem to dissipate and then kind of redevelop in the afternoon heat. They're going to be widely scattered. So for now, we'll leave 20% in the forecast for today. Otherwise, it should be a very warm day, and this front will have very little effect on our day as far as temperatures. Sun and cloud mix, 20% chance of showers, high in the mid-80s, low tonight down to about 59, and the winds will turn northeasterly by afternoon behind the front. Sunny and warm tomorrow as we get closer and closer to the holiday weekend. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s. The front will be fizzling. Good Friday looks like a very warm day. And if you're traveling, and a lot of people are, I don't think there's going to be any problems, no big storm systems. Almost like summertime on Saturday over the Easter weekend here. And in fact, on Easter Sunday, I suppose there could be a stray shower somewhere. I've got the rain chances at under 20%, but not zero. Easter temperatures, well, they're going to be well up in the 80s. So this looks like a summertime map. In fact, even the warm weather going up into much of the east and northeastern states. So mid-80s and maybe even mid to upper 80s, perhaps, as we get into Friday and Saturday. I've got 86 for a high on Sunday, and then the 20% chance of showers lurks in the forecast as we get into Monday and probably Tuesday as well. Specifically for Easter Sunday, again, I have the rain chances relatively small. Could be a stray shower in the afternoon, high in the mid-80s, low at night around 61. Sunrise for Easter sunrise services, 6:03. Now here's the next big deal. You got to look way out there. This is Tuesday, April 25th. That looks like a significant storm system. We'll keep an eye on that. That's several days away. Beach forecast for the beaches, Gulf Shores to Panama City. Highs in the upper 70s. Gulf water temperature still at 70. So a good beach forecast. The pollen forecast is not good. Oh, my gosh. We are into the high range, very high range today and for the next few days. And it's going to be, if you're a sufferer, it's going to be miserable, I'm afraid. Maybe a couple of showers out there today. The blue bars at the bottom is what we're looking at. And then early next week, maybe another chance of showers according to the European. But many of the next 10 days, according to the European, should be storm-free and dry. We're looking now at temperatures, and European is teasing way out there. Maybe the first 90-degree temperature, around April 21st, perhaps. I mean, we're just looking at the trends out here. And on the GFS, we're seeing temperatures in the 80s for the most part. We're then teasing near 90 degrees as we get into the second week of the forecast. So some very warm days ahead. I don't see any cool spells. Did you know that our weather app will travel with you, and you can set up a secondary location? In other words, in the settings, you can add maybe grandma's house or the beach or wherever you go frequently, and it will follow your weather wherever you go. So watches and warnings, 10-day forecast, hourly forecast, it's all there on our weather app. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather.
So it looks like we're getting an early start on the warmth this year. Some people have pointed out that even some of the June bugs are already out. And people are wondering, does that signal a hot summer? Not necessarily. We're getting an early start, but that doesn't mean necessarily that we're going to be blazing hot this summer. Hope you have a great day today. I'll have another video for you first thing tomorrow morning. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, and your forecast whenever you want it, when you're out and about, across the dial on 8 radio stations. Have a good one. It looks like it's going to be a very warm few days ahead.
Rich Thomas Weather.